Blessed. Peace and love as always. ShottaFlowtv once again, back at it again, where we gonna just vlog and speak about life in general, stuff that is going on the planet. You don't know the Caribbean island and many more topics around here, my people. You don't know. That's how we're gonna do it today. So, you don't know, first of all, I want to welcome each and every one and send blessing to each and everyone that is watching and listening and tuning in to the program. You don't know. Much respect, much love as always. Yes, my people. So right about now, I want to talk. And we're going to start off with this topic right now, right? And it's included with everyone on the planet. You understand? A lot of us try to hide or try to cover up our problems that we have in life, our situation that we have in life. We get up every day and we put on a pretty smile on our face. And people say, oh my God, I wish if I could be in that moment. Like those people who are put on pretty smile on their face, but it's a pity. They don't know what those people going through. Because life is an illusion and everything you see, it is. You understand me, people? Because you don't want to know the struggle what those people are going through. You understand what I say? And some of us get up every day and we are complaining and a holler and a ball. And we can live way better than those people. And we still are complaining. We give thanks for our blessings. We count our blessings and give thanks. Some of we, we are talk about we're poor. Let me tell you something. We're rich compared to many people in this world. You understand what I say? Because some places where some people live and some things where they go through in life, trust me, enough of us probably couldn't even handle not even a day of the life where them live. We would resign and quit long time. A lot of these people that you see putting smile on them face is people who have a blessed and a beautiful heart inside. That's why they are who they are. You understand? They don't live into the fear that a lot of us live in. You understand? Society bring a lot of fear. And as long as you're living in society, you will be in fear if you don't know thyself. You understand me, people? Life is a journey and is a lesson to be learned. You understand? A lot of us get up every day and we only think about being here. But what about when we leave here? Huh? You don't think life continue after here? You think life could just be, we just appear from nowhere and it is? Come on, read between the lines. Those people are happy because they know this life on earth is not forever here. They will leave here and move on to a next journey. You understand what I say? So the thing go. So those people keep themselves loving, nice, pure as much as possible. Loving heart. You understand? Rasta man heart. That's why when we say Rasta, we don't mean the hair upon we head. It talk about our heart that we have. How we deal with people. You understand? How we resonate with others. You understand? To be caring, loving, sharing, and all of these things. These are the things what count. You don't think that these are the things that God looking from each and every one of us on the planet? That's what it is. But every day we get up in a warmonger, crime, violence, kidnapping, child molesting. These things is a disgrace to humanity. You understand what I say? And enough of us also are being brainwashed. You understand? And a lot of us looking up to the bigger heads them, the government, politician, to make a better change in the world. Listen to me. If we go and sit down and wait for government and the system to make this place a better place, it will never happen. Never. Because the only way it can happen is each and everyone have to make a change within themselves first before you can have a global change. So if everyone change, yes, then we will have a positive, beautiful outcome. Changes start with we self. You understand? The inner self have to be changed for the outer self to be changed. That's the outcome and the result that we will get. You understand me, people? So plenty people I wonder, oh, why life is like this? Why this can't get better? The reason why it can't get better is because each and every one of us have to do it. So here we are going on now. If you are do it, me I do it, the next person I do it, and 500 down the road now do it, guess what happened? The changes still can't make. Because we still need the 500 for change, for make it be possible. You understand what me I say? I saw this thing work. You understand? There is no pointing a finger and no one around here because it involves all of us. Here we are going, me people. Seeing, you don't know, say, we words, we mind, thought, these things are powerful. We've been hearing these things all our life. Give thanks for the one them that have the experience and know that is really true. You understand? Because some people act like they don't play a part into things what go on in the world. Not because them don't physically go out there, go do certain things. But the way they think and their thought and what's in their mind. These things affect the collective, the whole globe. Because all of us are interconnected. So when one get hurt, all of us feel it. You ever get up yet and you just feel some sort of way and you say something is going to happen and you don't know what happened. You're feeling the collective. And these things are detrimental for everybody on the planet. That's why we have to work together as one and come together as one to make this thing possible. That's how life works. You understand what I say? It's a journey, and it's an amazing journey. We just have to look, through the scope and see that light down, straight down. You understand what I say? And give thanks and appreciate everything because, it's a blessing, to be in existence, know thyself and conscious of thyself. It's a blessing. It's an amazing thing. For each and every one of us on the planet, we have to give thanks and appreciate that. That's the life that God give us. Blessings. You understand me, people? And that me a try to say. That's why when we say whole a meditation, a high vibration, it's for your best. It's for your best interest. For help you on your journey. You understand? For calm your mind. For calm the matters. You understand? Relaxation. High vibration. You understand? It bring you into peace. Me know everybody want peace. And me know everybody want love. And we have to set ourselves into these, position to take these steps. So we can make it happen. You understand? Let me tell you something, Nothing in our life is easy, You have to make the step. And Father will be there right beside you. As always. We are powerful beings. You understand what I say? We should be appreciative to each other for each other. You understand? You imagine you alone in existence and nobody else. What type of life would that be? Remember me tell you that you don't even want to think what type of life would that be. That's why we have to appreciate one another. Because we bring each other to that higher state of mind, and a higher love, unconditional love vibration. You see what me I say? And these are the things where we need to really focus on. You understand? But every day, a lot of us get up and we gone in the chaotic vibration. And don't get me wrong, you know. I've been through it. Because my eyes didn't open then. Me young and didn't know things and never know life. And, you know, all of us get a little bit of experience. But when my eyes open to certain things, me say, no, Baba, me can't live like this for the rest of my life. Matter of fact, you understand? Me start to change my ways because you know what? Life on earth is too short. Even if for 200 years you might think it long, but look here, time fly out real fast. And time wait for no one. So here we are going. You see, through me there, me want to graduate from this school here, you know. Me want to go in another grade, but a higher grade. You understand what I say? So me I do my best here to pass my exam. So me can get for graduate to go to another higher class. You understand? Plenty people don't know them. Plenty people don't know them in a school, you know. You understand? Them not understand say man created school, you know, as an example of God. Because in school, you understand, in school, you use pen and paper, you learn this and you learn that. And them teach you certain things and make you learn it. And when them teach it to you, they make you do an exam, you know, and then you will know if you pass the exam. That's a following step of God creation. Now, let me explain to you now. You understand? Them teach you, right? And you learn, and then you pass the exam. In God ways, it don't work like that. You understand what me I say? The obstacles coming at your way, right? You better overcome it, and then you learn your lesson. You see the opposite? You see the different way? So mankind teach we things, we follow it, learn it, and then go try do a test for pass it. God give you the test, you better pass it, and then you learn your lesson. You understand what me I say? That's blessing. You understand? Awareness is another thing where a lot of us really need to focus and pay attention to. We're not. Awareness is so, you know what I mean? And when I said aware, it doesn't mean just your, you know, around, more than your surrounding. Aware, you know, aware of nature, you know, life, bird, bees, trees, human being, the sky, the breath that we breathe in our body. You see what I say? We have to give thanks to these things. You understand? And know, say, life is magnificent. Let me tell you something, you know. Whether you with life or with not, life will continue. Life now wait for none of we. So if you not roll with life, you're going to get left. Because life wait on no one. You understand what I say? And plenty people understand, say, if them not learn them lesson here, them are going to learn it somewhere else. Whether it's in another dimension, another universe, wherever, they still going to learn them lesson. Plenty people don't understand the real reason when it comes to free will, or what the purpose of free will and the gift behind free will. Free will is such a magnificent thing, but it also can be dangerous. You understand what I say? Now, reason why I say that is you have a free will to do whatever you want, right? No judgment. Nobody not judge you. You do whatever you want. But this is God, or the universe, or wherever you want to call it. Every action, there's a reaction. So whatever seed you are sow, that's what you're going to reap. So if you are do certain things where you know say, boy, that not right. Well, guess what happened? Whatever you put out in the universe, it's gonna come back at you. Energy like energy. So if you pour out a whole bunch of negative energy in the universe, then what you think will come back to you eventually? That's what a lot of people call karma. You know what I mean? A lot of people say, boy, judgment reach them, man, and this and this and that, and them need to take a time out and look into them life and see the things and probably what, they have done. I do that and learn my lesson. You think when me would do back 30 years, you think me would do it now? I would never do that now. You understand what I say? Because my eyes open. You understand? I mean, what's hurting anything on the planet is hurting myself. And me want to see everybody are sent out of this place, You understand? Well, move and make that shift. Heaven and earth, because plenty people really have it in them head, If you say when them leave here, them are go heaven. But you don't need to leave here if you go to heaven because you're already in heaven. If your eyes can show you and you can see that, you will know that you're already in a heaven. You don't need to go nowhere to be in heaven because we're already in heaven. Or if you want, you can be in hell. So you don't need for dead to have these type of experience. We have it day by day, minute by minute, second by second, is how you deal with it. Is how you handle yourself. Is your mindset, your thoughts, the vibration that you give off, and all of these things. Yes, when we leave out of this body, yes, we fully shall connect back with the aspect and be back wholly to know thyself fully. But until then, guess what happened? It is what it is. But we still know and still get for taste. Live that aspect of us right here, right now upon this planet. We don't need to leave here to live it. It's happening right now. And a lot of us like to go back, go live in the past. A lot of us like to go live in the future. We're so confused in the future and so confused in the past, and we forget about the present, which is the important moment at this moment right now. This is what is important. You're alive, you're good, you're giving thanks and praise because you're here right now and you realize that this is what counts. If you make a mistake yesterday, don't bother beat yourself down today. But learn your lesson and move on in the present moment. You understand me, people? That's life. And that's beautiful. That's magnificent. You understand? So, sorry about that. So, say I saw with us after us work with the thing. You understand? I remember the days when me usually point finger and would like to judge. But you know what happened? I find out all of them things, me create even chaotics for myself because if me need to judge someone, me need to judge myself first. You understand? And me not go judge myself, so me not go judge no one. You understand? Everything in life have a consequence. Everything in life. That's why we should be careful before we do certain things. And not just get up and just jump and go do certain things. Because a lot of us, that get up, we either in a anger or really and truly we blind. It's two of them. Right there. It's either you can't see further than what's in front of you or you name it. You understand what I say? You have to can Take your time. If you're in a anger or know how to anger, calm down first and then make a decision or something like that. You understand what I say? Because, you know, we have good in a way and we have bad in a way, you know. 50-50 right there, so. 50 good, 50 bad. But if you feed the good more and bring it right, you can feed the good, go all the way up, bring it up 70, 80, 90% just a galang and keep the bad part of you down then. But if you do it the opposite way around and feel the bad, guess what happens? The good go right down, and you're 80, 90% up in a negativity. This is the thing we talk about. You cannot worship two God. Because all of us have that part in our way. We have the yin and the yang. You understand? But it's a choice. Everything in our life is a choice. It's a choice that you make. You understand? Nobody never force you to tell you if you go do it or you do it. So you have to pay the consequence. And a lot of us out there, plus, you know, like to point fingers on others, you know what I mean? And play a blame game. But we never take the time out to look on the problem and say, you know, say me really wrong, do I me cause the problem? Eh? And sometimes we realize it too, but we decide so we stay in power with high horse in our pride and we not apologize and we not make things like that now gonna make this place a better place. It's all about we need to unite and show one love, one heart. Just like what Bob Marley said. Let's get together and feel all right. You understand what I say? Plenty people don't get to taste unconditional love, you know, so they don't know what is unconditional love. You see what I say? People still look for unconditional love in a relationship. Just one relationship. Unconditional love not stuck in a just one relationship with two persons. Because when you have experience of unconditional love, you love everything. You love everything, everyone. Don't you bury the tiniest mustard seed. What speaketh about your love. You appreciate beyond your comprehension. That's unconditional love. You understand? And it's like a disease and you don't have no cure for it. I may love it. Magnificent, unconditional love that comes straight from God, the Creator. You understand what I say, my people? It's what I say. But some of the time, you know, a lot of time we go to Father God and we are say, my God, my God, my God. Yes, I want to make everybody know, say, Father God, give each and every one of us Him. All and children, them and all and pitney, them have Him for Himself. That's the beauty. And you know, we know that. And when we are say, my God and your God, listen to me, man. I one Father. Father, just like you as a parent, you will deal with each of your child accordingly. You understand? Because you understand each and every one. It's the same thing with Father God. Him understand each and every one of Him children them. And each and every one of Him children, He's there by their side. Even when you think He's not, He's there. Even when you hear nothing and you talk, He's there. But guess what happened? You need to quiet your mind maybe more to hear the voice. You understand what I say? Life is magnificent, you know, man, may I tell you. You see what I say? The beauty of creation is human being cannot comprehend. Neither scientists nor whoever can comprehend God's creation. In no way. Them try to understand it, but they will never. Even higher beings into higher places, into higher rooms, higher dimension don't even knows. Not even the half of how magical creation is. But that's the thing. God created it, and in giving children them the opportunity to learn and to live in harmony. You understand? Because we don't separate from from the Father. We are come from the Father, so we connected. So we are all one. You understand me, people? But you don't know when I just saw the thing go. You understand what I say? It's a lesson to learn, and we all have to learn our lesson in our life. It's what I say, and we can make better choices and do better things, and do not do it for no one. May I tell you that? Because if you're gonna change for someone, you're going to fail. You have to change for yourself. And when you change for yourself, then yes, you can change for anyone. You understand what I say? Because it begins with you, and that's how life is. You see what I say? Me show respect and love to everybody. I don't care who it is. I don't business who it is. I mean, I judge no man. You understand? The man in the brand new pants and the one they will have on the tear up one. Me no see them different. Them a human being and me love everybody. So I saw me deal with things. Me just stay down to earth and know say, your life is magnificent. Cause people don't really know say a lot of the catching in this society hold us. For instance, if money fi disappear tomorrow, what we have? Each other. And I guarantee you say, well, we would have come and work together much more. But then again, the same thing goes back to the same topic. We all have to work together. Can't have some work and some not work together. We'll never get that changes, And my people, me just want to make you know so I have to stay focused on a part and stay upon a part and learn to discern a lot of stuff and don't take in everything where you hear and everything you read about or everything you see and process. You must learn to sit down and take your time out and go over and process something into more than one ways. It's not themselves one word, but you can look at it a million ways. It's the same thing. Things that happens, you discern it out and know yourself. And don't be so hard on yourself, because a lot of time too we be so hard on ourselves, and these things is not good for us. It's detrimental. Very, very detrimental. And we just have to be careful because, we have to love ourselves first before we can love anybody else. And not just love yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritual. Any way you want put it, you put it. But you have to find that core and just don't say, yo, I have to love myself beyond comprehension. The blessings where you get to come into existence. That's our blessings. You understand? So we have to appreciate it and just give thanks and know, say, Jaja, Father, it's so amazing that you have done so much. You see what I say, and that's how things go, my people. But we have to just leave people and give people them time for, whatever the case may be, for change. And I think a lot of these problems too, it's from, you already know. Me not even have to tell you. From up there so come down there so. You see what I say? So it's we give them the power and them turn around the power and them can't control everybody on the planet neither. It's people are people and people think it and do whatever and at the end of the day. So it's just that you can't just focus up there so you get all the changes you want. We just I try to say we have to do it individually and work on the thing. And the best way out in our life. You understand what I say? And just give thanks to the bird and the bees and the planet and the trees and just give thanks to everything, man. You understand what I say? And just stay positive and, pray or meditate, prayer. You do your meditation, whether it's music, some people, whatever. Bring that spark inside of you, that's what you need for focus on. If a music bring the spark, make it go on. You understand? If a writing, make it happen. Cause whatever bring that inner child outside of you, that you need. You need that to elevate and take yourself and to higher places. You know what I mean? So it's all about love and peace and joy. And that's a part of life. And We just have to just know say so things go, yeah, man. You see what I say? But you don't know, you know, me say blessed and big up at all the times, you know, my people. You don't know, say this is ShottaFlowtv around here, you know. And we just come to talk some topics and some vibration and some level of life. And you know, we have to give thanks. And me just want to tell each and every one of you know, have a blessed and a wonderful day. And I appreciate each and every one for tuning in to this video. Until the next one, blessed, peace and love. And also don't forget we look a fun short video that we make. You know, for put a little smile on our face. Because sometimes we get up and we're so sulky and we're so this and that. We need something for just even make we smile. You know, something, you know. So you can tune into the short videos them and enjoy. Don't take nothing personal. It's just, everything is just about fun. Fun around here, you know, to bring a little bit of laughter. My people, blessed, have a blessed day. Until then, peace and love.